guys, Gina here with Hollywood Haunter, and today I have a DIY Halloween project for you. I saw the most beautiful spider web on the Pottery Barn website. It had beads, it was lighted, it was so cool. It was $100, and I was thinking, man, Chris would kill me if I got that, because there's a lot of Halloween things that I want this season, but to blow $100, I don't know, maybe someday. Maybe someday. But I was thinking there's gotta be another way I can do something similar for a lot less money. Was walking through the dollar store and I happened to stumble upon these. Now it's just a wire spider web frame, and then it's got some string, and then, you know, a classy glitter spider on there. But I had a bunch of clearance lights that I got from Big Lots, and the light bulb clipped. And I was thinking, you know what? Maybe if I wrap those lights around this, we can come up with something. And sure enough, this is what I came up with. It was super easy, didn't take too much time, and I think with a couple of them, it'll achieve the same look as the Pottery Barn. So if you guys are interested, let's get to it. So the first step, obviously, is to take all of this stuff that we don't need on there, like tags, spiders. It's nice, it comes with a suction cup. We may end up using that. I'm not sure where I'm gonna put these yet, but I'll be thinking about it. And then you have this cute little glitter spider. Are you guys team glitter or team no glitter? I know there's a lot of haunters who are like, yes, glitter on everything. And then there's haunters who are like, no, get it away, it gets everywhere. So let me know in the comments below. Oh, it looks like it's just a bread tie, that's easy. All right, so I went ahead and took the lights out of their packaging. They're ready to rock and roll, and you want to try to keep it on this spool if you can. Now, I did try on the other spider web a couple different methods for sticking this to this. The first thing I did is just take the wire lights. Since it is wire, I thought, hey, I'll just bend it and weave it in and out of there. It just became a mess after a while, and I quit. And I pulled all the wire off. Then I tried to do string, but I wasn't able to get the knots tight enough to the string, and so the wire had a lot of slack in it. Then I tried wire, and I started twisting little wires and cutting them, and then I was like, you know what? Let's just go with tape. So tape seems to be the quickest, fastest method, which is awesome because we're always looking for that. And I just have some black gaff tape. You can have some black masking tape. You can have some masking tape and paint it black or whatever you're gonna do. We make it work, don't we? All right, so here we go. So I've just got some tape. And what I wanna do is just take my scissors, cut it down, rip off a piece, and that's okay because I'm gonna cut this into smaller squares. And the smaller square, the better, but you still wanna have enough to where it can go through the wire. We're gonna pick a spot to start our spider web, and I suggest picking one of these starting points right here. And I'm gonna wrap it around, and then I'm gonna tape it to start. Got some tape right here. There we go. First step is done. Then go ahead and go all the way across, follow your guideline right here. Try to get it as tight as you can with a little bit of slack, but not too much. And then we're gonna bend it right here, tape it, go here, bend it, tape it, and follow that one all the way right here. And then what we'll do is we'll bend it, tape it again. We're just gonna tape the outside edges right now, and you're gonna leave the center of your spider web loose until we start doing the spiral part. Then we'll tape our spider web together. this actually isn't taking too long. I'm about halfway done. And I'm just keep winding and bending, winding and bending. The important thing is to keep this wire on that spool so you don't have a huge unraveled mess. All right, that was really fast. Now, before we go all the way down on our last final line, we're gonna stop in the middle because now we're gonna start following our circle all the way around and loop and spiral out. Now that we have our tape right here, we're gonna start taking 2 pieces of smaller tape. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna be going around and following our circle. See how this has got wire and wire? That's a great place to put tape on one side and then tape on the other. You don't want to cover up any of your lights. I know it looks kind of messy right now, but it's gonna look really cool. So we just keep following around right here and we find another place that's wire to wire. And we just stick it down right there in the middle. We're gonna go on the other side and match it and stick it down. And we're just gonna follow that all the way around the circle. It's starting to look really good, you guys. I'm just following the circle round and round. There's other color of wire you can use too. You don't have to use silver. There's copper, there's black, there's who knows what other colors. And they also have different colored lights too. This just happens to be warm white. They have bright white, they have multicolored, they have everything. I just got off clearance, so this is what I have, so this is what I'm using this time. But if I was to do this again, maybe I'd use black. I don't know, we'll see. Maybe the silver is gonna look really good against the black when we set it all up. All right, we made it all the way around the circle. And now we're gonna go down and we're gonna come up this one that we left. We made it to the end of our web. Even better than taping, if you come around, now that these squares are big enough, you can stick your battery pack through the one loop, string it through like so, and then go through this side, string it through. Then you get a nice tight loop right there, and then you can do a nice straight one again. Come through here, loop it through like that, nice and tight. Come through this side, loop it through. It's kind of tight because the string is right there. Through. There you go. And keep repeating that all the way around. All right, that was the final loop, you guys. We are ready to go decorate. I'm gonna get some batteries and set it up. And here is the final look. I think it turned out awesome. This was so much fun to do. It was really fast and not expensive. It was a perfect DIY project for an afternoon. I hope you guys enjoyed. We'd love to have you subscribe to our channel if you're new here. And if not, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Happy Halloween!